Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A velocity time graph for a train consists of 3 segments. From 0 to 60 seconds, velocity increases linearly from 0 to 6 meters per second. From 60 seconds to 120 seconds, velocity is constant at 6 meters per second. From 120 seconds to 180 seconds, velocity increases linearly from 6 to 10 meters per second. Given that position s equals 0 when t equals 0, construct the position time and acceleration time graphs for t between 0 and 180 seconds. Now let's work through the solution step by step. Looking at the VT graph, we identify 3 segments. From 0 to 60 seconds, velocity rises linearly from 0 to 6 meters per second. From 60 to 120 seconds, velocity stays constant at 6 meters per second. From 120 to 180 seconds, velocity rises linearly again from 6 to 10 meters per second. We will write these as explicit functions first. For segment 1, the slope is 6 divided by 60, which equals 1/10 meters per second squared, giving v equals t over 10. Segment 2 is simply v equals 6. For segment 3, the slope is 4 divided by 60, or 1/15th, so v equals 6 plus 1/15th times the quantity t minus 120. Acceleration is the derivative of velocity. In segment 1, a equals 1/10, or 0.1 meters per second squared. In segment 2, a equals 0 because velocity is constant. In segment 3, a equals 1/15th, approximately 0.067 meters per second squared. The AT graph is therefore a step function with 3 constant levels, with jumps at t equals 60 seconds and t equals 120 seconds. Integrating v equals t over 10 from 0 to t gives s equals t squared over 20. This is an upward opening parabola. At t equals 60 seconds, the position is 60 squared divided by 20, which equals 180 meters. For segment 2, starting at 180 meters, we integrate constant velocity of 6 meters per second. Position becomes 180 plus 6 times the quantity t minus 60, which simplifies to 6t minus 180. At t equals 120 seconds, s equals 6 times 120 minus 180, which equals 720 minus 180, equaling 540 meters. This segment appears as a straight line. For segment 3, starting at 540 meters at t equals 120 seconds, we integrate the velocity 6 plus the quantity t minus 120 divided by 15. After integration, s equals 540 plus 6 times the quantity t minus 120 plus the quantity t minus 120 squared divided by 30. At t equals 180 seconds, this gives 540 plus 360 plus 120, equaling 1,020 meters. Here is the complete position function. From 0 to 60 seconds, s equals t squared over 20, a parabola. From 60 to 120 seconds, s equals 6t minus 180, a straight line. From 120 to 180 seconds, s equals 540 plus 6 times the quantity t minus 120, plus the quantity t minus 120 squared divided by 30, another parabola. Key checkpoints are 0, 180, 540, and 1,020 meters. The acceleration time graph is a step function, 0.1 meters per second squared for the first 60 seconds, 0 for the next 60 seconds, and approximately 0.067 meters per second squared for the final 60 seconds. The position time graph is a smooth curve made of 2 upward opening parabolas connected by a straight line segment continuous at all transition points. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.